Hi guys, my name is Harsh, and today I want to share my experiences with you. Whenever I go out, I meet people, I meet new people. People always ask me that what do I do for a living? Then I tell them that I work in the stock markets. To this, everyone has the same reply that why did you take stock markets as a career option? Isn't a job safer? Isn't it taking a profession safer? Isn't opening a company, opening a restaurant safer? Now people ask me that why did I go into stock markets? Isn't taking a job more simpler, more safer? So everybody in the society has a stereotype that stock markets are more riskier than taking a job. So now let's take up 3 points I want to put in front of you to show you, to ask you rather, how are stock markets more riskier than taking a job? Number 1, the risk element. In stock markets, people generally lose. It's a well-known fact. All of us know it. So whenever I ask somebody that you invested in stock markets, you had a loss. Yes, they had a loss. Then what was your investing strategy? You won't believe it. 99% tell me that they invested on their friend's recommendation, on their teacher's recommendation, on their brother's recommendation, on the broker's recommendation. Then you are bound to get kicked. If you buy shares on recommendation and not using your sensibility, then how can you expect to earn in the stock markets? It's like sleeping in stock markets. And just imagine that one is expecting to sleep in stock markets and then earn. And what in a job? If you go to a job every day and sleep on your desk, will you expect the boss to pay you the salary check at the end of the month? No, because you have not been working. Then how can you expect to earn in stock markets while working on other people's recommendation if you sleep all the time? You have to use your sensibility, you have to use your head. Exactly. Then how are stock markets more riskier than taking a job? Second point, when economies crash. Now these situations are rare, but they do take place, and these situations are disastrous. For example, in 2008, when USA crashed, when all the European countries crashed together, the global markets went for a ride. Many of us investors got killed in it. They did, it's the fact. But what we fail to remember is that when economies crash, countries crash, industries crash, companies crash, people lose their jobs. In 2008, the unemployment level on a global basis was at its peak. People had their salaries slashed down by 40 to 50%. Then how is being in a stock market more riskier than a job? Because in an economy crash, you will be as vulnerable as you are in markets as you will be in a job. Now, the third point, stability of money. People always argue that in a job you have stable income source. True, in a job we are sure to get a salary check at the end of the month. But same is the case in stock markets. I can show you portfolios. You can see portfolios on the internet. I'm sure people around you must know people who earn up to 12% per annum in the worst of market conditions. Only using simple technicals and simple fundamentals, you can earn 12% per annum easily. Then how are stock markets more riskier than taking a job when both are supplying stable money supply? And the only difference I feel is a major difference between stock markets and a job is that in stock markets, your money sweats for you, and in a job, you sweat for the money. In stock markets, you earn for yourself, but in a job, you're earning for somebody else, not yourself. So to conclude, that whenever you think that stock markets are more riskier, more dangerous, jobs are safer, simpler, easier, give yourself 5 minutes to think about it, and I'm sure you'll come with an answer. And if you have any other comments, any other thoughts you want me to know, you want to share with everybody, and any other topics you want me to take in the next video, please post it down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to attend them. Thank you and happy listening.